Good morning, all of you, beta. Are you ready for the mathematics class? Class 1 Oak. Are you ready, beta? Good morning, good morning. Okay, fine. You know that of our math magic book, chapter number 7 is going on, right? Am I right, beta? From your math magic book, Aryan, Happy New Year, Happy New Year. Listen, everyone. From our math magic book, chapter number 7 is going on. Am I correct? Am I correct, beta? And chapter number 7 till page number 100 till page number 100 is completed. Okay, chapter number 7 and page number 100 means 100 till 100 is completed. Yes, very good, Akriti. Yes, so heaviest, lightest, thickest, thinnest, heavier, lighter, thicker, thinner, tallest, shortest, taller, shorter, longer, shorter, longest, shortest. This part is completed. Okay. Now, from page number 101, you all please open page number 101. Okay, measurement. I will I will teach you today measurement, how to measure your book. How to measure your book. Okay, so you all please look, tip of the thumb to till tip of the little finger. This portion is one hand span. If you measure anything with your hand, then we can measure with the hand span. Suppose I am measuring the board with the hand span. It is one hand span, two hand span, three hand span, four hand span, and five hand span. My green board is 5 hand span long. How to measure with the hand span? Everybody please follow me carefully. This is one hand span. Again, I'm starting here to here. This is 2 hand span. Now 3 hand span. Now 4 hand span. And this is the 5 hand span. So here to here, this is 1 hand span, 2 hand span, 3 hand span, 4 hand span, and 5 hand span. If I ask anyone, then I can say that the green board is 5 hand span long. How to measure with the hand span? Tip of the thumb to till tip of the little finger. Here to here, this is 1 hand span. Here to here, this is 1 hand span. Okay. So now everyone please follow your book. Your math book is open in this manner. Your math book is open and the girl is measuring the book. The girl is measuring the book. The book is 3 span long. You were kids, you were very little and your hands is also little. If I measure your math book is 2 hand span long. If I measure, your math book is 2 hand span long. When you measure with your finger, very cute and small your hand, so you just measure 1, 2, 3. Suppose your math book will be 3 hand span long. On it one, you cannot see the board. Do anyone have any problem? Others can see the board clearly or not? Please reply me. Other than on it one, others can see the board clearly. Can you listen my voice? Okay, fine. On it one, you just disconnect yourself and connect again. On it one, disconnect and connect again. Okay. Now, there is the table is dash span long. I cannot show the measurement of the table. I have a table. My computer is on the table. I am just measuring my table with the hand span. With the hand span, I will measure my table. Okay. Here written, the table is dash span long. Here is written, the table is dash spans long. I'll just measure. Now I will measure my table with the hand span. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. My table is 6 spans long. My table is 6 spans long. Okay. Now here trace your friend's hand span here. I know very well you don't have any friends now with you. So better you just trace your own hand span. You just keep your, very good Aryan, very good, and Audrija, very good. You can measure your own table also, no problem with the hand span. In this manner you will measure. Now you just keep your hand. You just keep your hand in this manner, in this manner. In this way you just keep your hand and trace it. Trace it, your own hand. Aradhya, your 6 hand span long, okay, fine, no problem. Now how to trace in the blanks portion? In this blank portion, you just keep your own hand and trace it. If you can't, then you take your parents' help. And follow me carefully how to do it. Now keep your, suppose you are keeping your left hand. What is the hand span? Here to here. This is one hand span. Okay, I am just tracing my hand in this way. You all please follow me. In this way, you all please trace your own hand. Here to here. This is one hand span. Tip of the little finger to tip of the thumb. This is one hand span. You all please trace your own hand. In this way, keep your left hand and with the right hand you just trace. Take your pencil and trace. In this blank portion, you all please trace your own hand span over here. Done, everyone? Okay, Anik, your table is 4 span long. Okay, fine. Very good. Now have you trace your hand span over here? Okay, very good, very good. Now turn over the next page. You all please turn over the next page. Page number 102. 102. You all please turn over the next page. Page number 102. Here, my table is dash span long. If you have your own table, you can measure it. Here, I measure my table, you can measure your own table. If your table is 4 hand span long, you can write my table is 4 hand span long, you just measure it and then write. And your table is 5 hand span long, 5 span long, you can write 5. If it is 6, you can write 6. My table is 6 spans long. Now I will measure my pencil. If your table is 4, 5, 6, whatever you just measure. Okay, very good Anik, very good beta. Now you just measure your own pencil. My pencil is dash span long. My pencil is dash span long. This is my pencil. You have one own pencil. Now I am measuring my pencil. My pencil is 1 span long. Look, this is my pencil. I am just measuring here to here. This is 1 span long. My pencil is 1. If your pencil is 1 span long, you can write 1. No problem. My pencil is 1 span long. Okay, very good, Adrija. Now, I will measure my blackboard. This is a green board, right? This is a green board. So, I will measure this board, okay? I will measure this board. My classroom blackboard is dash pencils long. My classroom blackboard is dash pencils long. I will measure this board, okay, with this pencil. How I will measure? You all follow me. Everyone, please follow me. This is one span. Okay, I'm just marking one span. Now is two span. Now 3 span. Now 4 span. 5 span and 5 span and 6 span. Now the board is 6 spans long. Here to here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. The classroom blackboard is 6 pencils long. I'm measuring with this pencil. Okay, I'm measuring with this pencil. So my blackboard is 6 pencils long. My board is 6 pencils long. You all please write down over there. In the blank portion, you just write down 6. I'm just measuring. Do you have any doubt, any queries? Do you have any doubt, any queries, beta? Okay, now turn over the no ma'am. Okay, fine, beta Aryan. Now page number 103. Turn over the next page. Page number 103. Now, in page number 103, everything we are measuring with the hand span or pencil with this. Now we will measure this mat, carpet with feet. With feet. Feet means with your feet, you know very well. Okay, very good, Anirban, very good, Orithro, very good, Onik. Now, Aradha, 10 feet long. Which one? Your carpet or your mat? Okay, how to measure? In this way, suppose this is your feet. I cannot show my feet with you because if you are present in the classroom, I can show it to you how to measure with feet. Now, suppose this is your feet. How to measure? 1 feet, then again another feet. 2 feet, again the next 3 feet, again 4 feet, again 5 feet. In this way, you have to measure your carpet. If you have any carpet in your home, you just measure with feet. Measure with feet. Okay. How? Look how the boy is measuring. In this way, you all will measure your carpet. Okay. If it is 10 feet, okay, fine. Maybe 11 feet, 12 feet, 8 feet, 9 feet, whatever. Okay. The carpet is 10 feet long. In this way, the boy is measuring. You all will measure in your home's carpet. Okay. And the next, the girl is measuring the mat. The girl is measuring the mat is 6 feet long. The girl is measuring the mat. The mat is 6 feet long. Okay, very good, Aryan. Now you will measure your bed. Aryan measure our bed is 11 feet long. You will measure your bed with the feet and with hand span also, with span and feet. Difference, you can see the difference between span and the feet. Okay, you will measure your bed with feet. Okay, very good. And now you will measure your carpet with feet. You will measure your mat with feet. And you can measure your bedroom length. Bedroom, how much long your bedroom? You can measure with your feet. I can measure my classroom with feet. You can measure your classroom. Now you are not in class. You will measure your study room, bedroom, kitchen with feet. Okay. And your mat, carpet, whatever. And now guess the distance between. Now guess the distance between two trees. Here are the two trees. And the distance means this tree to this tree. Distance maybe 10 feet, maybe 12 feet. Okay, and if you have this type of two trees, any gap with the two trees, you can measure it with the feet. If you don't have, no problem, you just measure your bed to your almirah. Distance between your bed and almirah, distance between your bedroom and kitchen, distance between your bedroom and dining, and whatever you can measure, and distance between your study table and your bed, you can, and study table and almirah, whatever, you can measure it with the feet. You can measure with feet. Okay, and you just write down in a copy. Okay, you just write down in a copy, and nobody will left the class. Your bag, my bag is 5 feet long. Bag means which bag, beta? Arushi, which bag? 5 feet long your bag. Okay, with measure with feet. Okay, you can measure your bag with span also. Okay, okay, very good, very good. Orunabo 8 feet. My bed is 11 feet. Akriti, okay. Oritro 8 feet. Okay, fine, fine. Now, if you have any doubt, any queries, this chapter is over. Next class, online class, I will discuss that the next chapter. And for today this much. Now I will take your attendance. Who are present, they all will write down PPP. And if you have any doubt, any queries, you can ask me. Okay. Do you have any doubt, any queries, you can ask me. For today this much. Okay, see you next class. Thank you. Bye, beta. But